Hi and welcome back, actually not on pierosini.com, aka the most spectacular wine show. I'm back. I had a really long, let's say, summer break. I just want to inform you that I uploaded an interview I produced with Andrea Cortonesi of Azienda Uccelliera in Montalcino, in Montalcino. He produces really outstanding Brunelli as well as, of course, Rosso di Montalcino. You have to check it out. This is an Italian spoken interview. There will be a version with an English subtitle, German subtitles für euch in Deutschland. That's all for today. Wish you all the best, one love, and see you in the next video. Peace.